Hello! 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 And welcome to Chubby Munchkin Studio. There are a lot of iconic scenes from My Neighbor Totoro, like the bus stop, make acorn grow, etc. But one thing that always fascinates me was the old Tokorozawa city that was portrayed in the movie. I love the old shrine, the friendly farmers, and the muddy country road. Director Hayao Miyazaki was living in Tokorozawa City back in 1960s with his wife. And today I'm going to show you how did I create this diorama, the old Tokorozawa City, and the invisible Catbus. To start this project, I first drew a sketch of the farmland on the base, putting my tractor truck to make sure the ratio is correct. While putting on the first layer of plaster, I realized the sketch I did is going to be fully covered up, so I decided to use my graphic memory to shape the farmland. Then I'm using an X-Acto knife to carve out the rice terraces. I also carved out a little space for the shrine and a drainage canal next to the road. I use acrylic paint to paint accessories. I choose blue as the main color for the tractor truck because when Mei and Satsuki moved into the house, their father was driving the same colored moving truck. While painting the little tractor truck, I also added some rust effect to make it look dirty and old. I try to bring as much details as possible to our main character, the Catbus. Next, I start making the electric poles by dipping 3 wood sticks into water-based antique walnut wood stain. While waiting for the sticks to dry, I started covering the farmland with brown base color. Next, I'm adding Woodland Scenics earth turf to the main road. Use a fan brush to brush it even. Next, I added gray ballasts in the middle of the road. I add medium green fine turf to the path around the rice terraces. I mixed different colors to the farmland to make it look more vivid. I'm adding some fine turf to the middle of the road. Adding the shrine and some bushes along the road. Drilling holes for trees and electric poles. adding as many bushes as needed. Next, my favorite part, bring characters and personalities into the diorama. Adding a little haystack and a farmer who is taking a nap. Next step, resin. I'm wrapping plastic sheets around the diorama with glue gun. I remove some parts of the masking tapes so I can fix the edges before the resin sealed it. Carefully remove the plastic sheets. I'm using glass Mod Podge and airbrush to create the ripple effect. Let's not forget to connect the electric poles with electric wires. I'm using thin PLA cables and super glue them on the poles. Trim off the extra. Add black wash to the electric poles and wires. Check out how to make black wash in the link above the video. Last but not least, paint the base.